So Jesse should be coming anytime. I bought this aerosol. Trying not to. This aerosol blowhorn.
Okay.
And I am going to try to scare him. He should be coming, so see?
Okay.
And then I'm tucking it behind my leg.
I am the one,
Don't mind my floor. And now we are going to wait for him if he will come on. So I know you're like, that's so stupid. He's going to see it. Right in front. Just so you guys know. Yeah. He'll never and I can't help it till you get back with you and that you chance, bitch. Turn up on that ass. Fuck them hoes. Keep a small circle, bitch. She ain't no.
12 seconds later.
So he gonna tell me it wasn't a long line. And come up with some kind of excuse why the fuck it's taking so long.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I don't even want to do the prank no more. That's how long it's been. It probably hasn't been that long, but it feels pretty long to me since I'm just sitting here waiting to pull a prank. I'm about to go to sleep at this point. He's coming out right now. He is walking towards me. Nope.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up. Meanwhile,
She looks adorable. A baby came out, but not him. I'm starting to think this motherfucker went shopping. Standing in line right now to check out. No, he better steal me some shit.
eventually, yeah, boy, oh man.
I know it. Get in the car. Doing all that dang shopping.
First of all, you need to blame Walmart for always being packed. Second of all,
I knew it. I said it. I said he is in this line.
no,
He
I
done
actually
bought the pizza.
yeah, because I'm like, oh, and then that's when I thought about
Yep.
the books.
I'm glad.
They didn't even have the books that I needed for these damn kids.
Do it! Just do it!
But more importantly, I tried to do the smart thing and go to the back to the electronics to put money on my card. Oh, we can't do that up here. I'm over here. So you're gonna have to go to the front. Are you serious?
Right.
The fuck?
It's turning up a little bit.
On my glasses.
You mean that scratch?
How do you get scratches out of glasses again?
Lick it. Lick it, stick it, and put it in your pocket.
You're not funny.
Well, get new glasses.
I'll just have to find some damn scratch remover.
Oh, you can do that.
Oh, you can do that.
Waiting for your ass. Thanks, Jesse. Get you.
Now we can go home.
Yeah.
That's all I needed. Thank you. Oh, yes. Let me
Let me try it, Titan! Oh my God! Wow! Surprise, motherfucker!
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, dude, okay?
That shit is not funny.